Hey guys, what's going on? Thanks for joining me today. I'm Mark, this is Spiguyver Backpacking, and I am on the Mendenhall Glacier trail up to the ice caves. Stacy's with me, she's just up the trail. We're headed up there. We are up in Juneau, Alaska, up on a cruise, and we decided to do our own excursion, and I'm really looking forward to this. We got to see a couple of the glaciers coming up, and we saw this glacier as we rounded a corner back a little ways, and I am really looking forward to this. So there's Stacy, rounding the corner up there, taking off from me, so I'm gonna go catch up to her. Let's go. We just climbed up some pretty good cliffs, not too bad, but we got up here, and here is our first view of the glacier. So we're gonna go over this next rise right down here, and should be getting a better view, and then we'll be heading down to the glacier. And right across, right over here, is Nugget Falls. Pretty awesome. so I just found this amazing ice cave. I am in here, and I can't even believe I'm in here. It is so cool. Let's go walk in here, check this thing out. So yeah, it's got like a muddy floor that's kind of muddy, but I'm getting in here. Look at this. Just look. Oh God, it goes back up in, back here. So freaking amazing. Look at these blocks of ice down here. This was what I was hoping to find. All right, so this is the glacier. Right down there is the ice cave I was just in. Just beautiful. You can see what the glaciers have done to these mountains over the years, just tore it apart. So this is the trail here. As you can see, we're having to skirt around it in some spots because the lake, which is out there, has definitely come up. The glacier is melting at such a rate right now that the river can't hold it, and so the lake is backing up, and there's quite a few spots here where we've had to go around or through the water. All right, so Stacy and I just finished up the Mendenhall Glacier hike. We're back at the trailhead and headed back in to return the rental car and get back on the ship. Gonna go walk around Juneau a little bit, see what there is to see there, and then go in and get something to eat on the ship. So hey, tomorrow we are gonna go to Skagway and we're gonna hit the Lofton, one of those two, glacier out there. Not quite as dramatic as the Mendenhall Glacier, but still pretty cool. I was able to get up and see the ice caves today, so that was something I really wanted to do and was pretty stoked about. All right, guys, I will see you down the trail.